All right, today we're going to be putting together the HP P24h G4 monitor. So first things first, after you open the box, the easiest way to get everything out is to just carefully turn the box upside down and just kind of shake it and slowly dump everything out and pull the box up, which I've already done. You're going to want to do this on a soft surface because we are going to be putting the screen face down at one point here. So after you pour everything out of the box, this is what you'll see. The three main parts are the monitor itself, a backing plate, or excuse me, that's the base, and then this is the backing plate with the stand there. So, and then it'll come with a bunch of different cords. So this will be your power cord. This is the display port cord and the HDMI. So you're going to use one of these two cords, either display port or HDMI, or you might be using the VGA cords, which have a blue end to it, but it's not included with the monitor. And then this is a cord that'll transfer the audio, because the monitor does have built-in speakers. However, the HDMI and the DisplayPort cords can actually transmit audio as well, where you wouldn't need this cord. So first things first, you're going to come here and you're going to put the monitor face down. Now, if you'll notice, it's kind of hard to see, but the bezel is very thin. The screen comes almost right to the edge of it. So just be careful when you're handling this that you try not to press on the screen itself too much. So I'm going to carefully turn this over. And then you're going to take this backing plate right here. You're going to see 3 notches at the top, and you'll see 3 notches right here. So simply take the 3 notches, slide them in like that so everything is flush, and then you're going to press down on the back part here until it clicks. So there's the click. Okay, then there's only one more step. So here's the stand here, and then here's the base part that goes in. You'll notice there's a little screw here, which looks like this on the other side. So obviously at some point you're gonna twist this, but you'll see that the screw will come in and out. So you'll have to be careful you do this the right way. So you'll see these little feet on the bottom of the stand here. They're going to tuck right into that slot that you see there. So take the feet like this. A little hard to do with one hand while I'm holding this. But you'll get it to like this, where it's flush, and then you'll just screw that in. So you'll have to kind of push the screw in a little bit as you turn. Get that decently snug. Don't go crazy, but get it decently snug. That's pretty much it. The only other thing is you'll hook up the power cord right here where you see those 3 prongs. So here's the 3 prongs that you'll hook in there. Of course, the other end will plug into the wall. And then over here is your different inputs. So the one on the left is the display port. So if you're using, I'll show you the matching cord for that. The display port cord looks like this. Kind of looks like the letter D a little bit. See that? Like a very tall D. So that's the display port. Here's the HDMI. That would go right here. And then, like I said, the VGA would go here, but it's not included. Those are the cords that have the blue ends to them, and then the little screws where you can screw the cord in tighter there and there. And then this right here is where the audio plugs in. But once again, if you have either the HDMI or the display port, those can transmit audio. And so you wouldn't need this. You would only need this if you're going to use the VGA. And then here's like the built-in speaker. One on this side and one on that side. And that is about it. Hope this helps.